Okay, so let's remember when we have a food chain or a food web that the animals, the organisms, always point to the organisms that eat them or consume them or that they give their energy to. So in our food web here, if you look at the corn and the flowering plant, the corn and the flowering plant are not connected at all in the food web, so there's no transfer of energy between them. And so when we're going to talk about when we get to that food is energy. It's like that for you and me as well. That's why we eat, or if we didn't, we would die because we wouldn't have the energy to live. So when it talks about energy transfer, it's actually talking about who eats whom or who gives energy to whom. So the corn and the flowering plant are not even connected, so they are not a direct energy transfer. The flowering plant and the grasshopper are also not connected. The grasshopper and the frog, the grasshopper's arrow points directly to the frog. That means that the grasshopper gives all of its energy straight to that frog. That means the frog eats it because it gets energy from it. And then the corn and the rat. The corn and the rat are connected, but there's an organism between them. So the corn gives energy to the grasshopper, and then the grasshopper gives that energy to the rat. So that's why it's not a direct energy transfer.